Hi, this is USDJPY and today it's Friday, 16th of December 2016 and the time is 9:47 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for my FXholics and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Starting from the monthly time frame, we see that the vector from the median to the upper Bollinger Band is active and valid, and there is a perfect range between the lower and the upper Bollinger Band, and the price will definitely go up to the upper Bollinger Band for another 1260 plus pips. But how can we manage this move so we are not trapped by any opposite trades or any opposite moves? So let's go down to weekly. We see here that the picture is extremely bullish, and we have an open funnel, and the vector from the median to the upper Bollinger Band is still active, and the picture on daily is extremely bullish too. So back to monthly, I'm going to use my 4 time frames Ichimoku strategy. I had a relatively fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on monthly. That is my first time frame. A bullish Kumo breakout on weekly, that's my second time frame. 100% bullish picture on daily, that's my third time frame, and now I'll go down to H4, which is the fourth time frame, and we'll wait for a decent correction, at least down to the 50 Fibonacci ratio of the daily move, of the big move on daily. And when the correction is over, I will buy from H4 with after a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross with median Bollinger Band and Tenkan-sen going up and everything bullish. That is the basic strategy to enter long and ride the continuation of this uptrend, chasing the 1000 plus pips upwards. But because these are big moves and they are going to take a lot of time, let's go down to H4, which is the fourth time frame with my 4 time frames Ichimoku strategy, where I anyway have to wait for the downward correction. So I forget buying for now. So let's see if there is a possibility for a nice short trade, which is a secondary trade. It's not the main move. If you are not patient enough, if you don't feel confident enough, don't take this downward trade, don't sell, wait in order to buy with all conditions in your favor and all criteria met. It may take days, but it's worth waiting. Okay, so if you feel confident to trade this minor correction, downward correction, okay, let's see if it is worth taking any trade. We see many signs of a statistical validation plunged down to the median Bollinger Band on H4 starting. And from where the price is now to the median Bollinger Band, the distance is 160 pips. So it's a great trade if we enter with our criteria aligned. So I see a funnel possibly coming, a bearish funnel coming on H1, a breakout, a bottleneck, a narrow bottleneck is formed here, so I'm expect to see a funnel. Let's see if M30 gives me better entry criteria. Okay, so possibly entering, let's see the risk, entering from M30 with a bearish Kumo breakout too risky. Let's see if I enter from H1 and place a stop loss above the fractals. It's 90, it's 100 pips. Probably you should better enter from H1. You want to see a strong bearish candlestick closing below the lower Bollinger Band with median Bollinger Band curved downwards, Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen in proper bearish order, Tenkan-sen above the price going down, Kijun-sen above Tenkan-sen going down. The lines are not in proper bearish order yet. Chikou span having crossed below past price action, that's why I will place my entry a bit lower. And stochastics going down. So, and also the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands edges turned outwards, forming a funnel. So you want the median Bollinger Band making a knee, a downward knee, upper and lower Bollinger Bands edges turned outwards, forming a funnel. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen in proper bearish order, both going down, and Chikou span having crossed below past price action, with stochastics confirming the downward move. You sell at 117.64 price level, placing your stop loss above the upper Bollinger Band where the bottleneck is, and above the two up fractals here at 118.67, and your take profit target where the median Bollinger Band on H4 is at 116.48. That is the sell scenario for now. If you want to, instead of set it and forget it, this is a set it and forget it option, you can stay in while the median Bollinger Band on H1 goes down and exit when the median Bollinger Band on H1 turns flat. That's your alternative option. But I suggest the set it and forget it scenario. Probably the risk I'm giving you, I'm telling you to take here is a bit higher, but you are well protected from spikes. Don't buy unless you see a very deep downward correction first happening on H4 time frame, if not on daily. Thanks for watching and happy pips.